Steak and egg breakfast, bro. Next level steak and egg. Well, I think it's next level anyways.
Break fast.
It's a break fast. What's up, guys? Welcome to the set. I am CJ. This is CJ's first cooking show. Right over there is Nate.
That's me.
Right over there is Ethan.
Hello.
Welcome to the Himalayas!
And right over there is your next best friend. He loves long walks on the beach. His favorite color is clear. His favorite drink is water. So glad you guys are here. Today I'm gonna show you what I think is an elevated, brilliant, simple, next level steak and egg breakfast. It's also interactive television. Every time the bell rings, grab something to sip on. You decide what to sip. I'll decide what to cook.
So come on, everyone, it's CJ's first show!
So in past videos, I have made my own
In a past
salsa.
life?
How do I say it?
Former life.
Salsa what?
Verde.
Salsa Verde, that's
Verde.
right. And I'm all about that life. I'm all about
All about
making your own
Salsa Verde
salsa.
life?
But today, this is a quick hack, so go get yourself a jar of salsa
The
Herdez Salsa Verde. You know, let's just do it all right now. Why not,
Do it all.
right?
Do it all.
Because I'm not sure how much we're gonna need. Not sure if we'll have enough time. But, star of the show. Thick cut New York strips.
What a hunk! What two hunks? You and me.
A key element, in my opinion, when cooking steak on the Blackstone is the thicker, the better. Now, I suppose you don't want like a pot roast, you know, for...
Or do you?
You might.
Would you
can
call
cook.
it a
You
griddle
can
roast
cook
at that
anything on a Blackstone. I don't necessarily think you should be making.
Anytime, anywhere.
Whoa! Hey, there we go.
You want to be in the commercial?
He
Yes.
probably does. He totally does.
That's the sound you crave and the outdoor cooking flavor you can't get with anything else. Only on a Blackstone.
Thick cut steak is the way to go. It gives you a longer cook time. That way you get that brilliant sear and you don't overcook your steak. Now I did 2-stage seasoning. The Blackstone Steakhouse.
Look at you go.
I know. I've been doing this show for a few years now, so I've learned a thing or two.
Yeah.
And I think
2-stage seasoning, brilliant.
It's pretty awesome. The Blackstone Steakhouse is my favorite seasoning of all time. If you didn't know,
You don't know, now you know.
it's literally just
You daggum salt lick.
so good. And the Blackstone's Blackened is rad. Excellent crust, delicious flavor, goes a long way. Now with thick, something you gotta remember.
Oh yeah,
Get the sides. Get the sides. No troll left behind. Or in this case, no side of your steak left
Yeah, you don't
behind.
leave anything all nude.
No.
And in the nude.
Every day.
In the meal.
In the nude.
Another key ingredient, or key element, not an
Oil.
ingredient should I say, is you want to get some oil and you want a screaming, smoking hot Blackstone
Phasers set to stun.
That's what you're looking for right there. Boomtown. Now this could be controversial, but
what?
I leave my steaks in the fridge before I put them on the Blackstone, keeping the internal temp cold.
You don't have to.
I do though.
I know, but you don't really want the internal temper. We don't need to get into it.
No.
We don't.
No, we don't. No, we don't. But what we do need to get into is ringing in the new crew, my friends. I've got some new subscribers. Before I get into it, if you're watching and you're new to the show and you like the show or hate it, leave a comment down below. Let me know you're new and you'll get a little highlight like this. This is from Cookies 1980. I feel like you'd have to be from the 80s to like.
Cookie?
It's K-O-O-K.
Oh, kooky.
Yeah.
One flew over the kookie's nest.
Yep. We've also got Grizzled Granny.
Hey, Grizzle. Granny.
I've also got Skylab, and we've got...
Skylab. Is that Skynet's cousin?
I bet
Probably.
so. It came out in 1007.
Obviously.
Obviously. And then last but not least, we've got OG-LZ4WZ.
Ogglezzles.
Exactly.
Good to see you.
All of these have let me know that they are new viewers, new subscribers.
Welcome.
Bringing in the new
welcome.
crew. Everybody's part of the crew on this show. We're gonna be back in just a minute when those steaks have cooked. We're gonna pull them off and get to the eggs. Dude, when you get that perfect crust, flip it. because it's time to sear the other side, and I did. Now, while I was flipping,
Hey, I've never done this.
what?
I'm gonna shoot
Over
his monitor. I can't
wait,
see
what?
its reflection.
I don't know.
I don't know.
He's causing problems. Dude,
It was cool in my head.
we've got the crust. Gonna let that sit.
Dang.
Hopefully, you know, with steak, you just hope you don't overcook it. Also, I flipped these
You
tomatoes.
hope?
I'm gonna give them one more little
Why don't you
flip.
just not overcook it?
Well, that's the goal, right? It's just always a little nerve-wracking.
Why?
Because I don't want to overcook the steak.
Oh. So just don't overcook them.
Yes, DJ.
He knows.
Does he?
Well, he
All right,
said it.
come on over here.
Oh, we're going back over here?
Yeah.
It's time for some eggs.
Oh, one-handed. Show me the pro moves, guy.
Let's something pro move as
Okay.
well. All this beef fat and seasoning. You could scrape it off if you want, add some clean oil, but
Don't
I
do
like.
it.
I don't need them to be perfect, sexy eggs. I just
Whoa.
need.
Go for it.
I'm going.
Yeah.
I wanted to have a slightly pretty.
Gorge.
Woo! She's a poppin'. She's a dancing.
I get beat up in the comments over my fried
Whoa.
eggs because I go hard.
Wow! Oh, what? Wait. Woo! I totally meant to do that.
What the?
What the Davy? All right, and number 3, third time's a charm. There she is.
Look at that.
Dude, look at all that. All that's flavor.
Mm,
All that is flavor.
it's like Ryan Hoagland status.
Is it?
His eggs are pretty perfect
Okay.
most of the time.
I'm gonna go ahead and turn my heat off. He
Okay.
does cook a lot of eggs.
Guys.
Ryan Hoogland,
Yeah,
the master egg cooker.
the one who pronounces his own name wrong.
Exactly. It's a weird place to be. It's like you'd find yourself in this location of pure nirvana. I don't know.
Speaking of Nirvana, hey CJ,
Oh.
did you know? Yeah, that's right. It's this time. Did you know that Nirvana's first song wasn't actually an original song? It was a cover called "Love Buzz" by a Dutch rock band called Shocking Blue.
Huh.
No!
Yeah.
That is shocking. And I am blue.
Nirvana. Pretty good quote. Pretty good.
That was rad.
What do we call that?
Fact.
Thank you.
Fact. My eggs are looking perfect, my friends. Perfect. Be sure to season your eggs. Salt and pepper if you have it, but I recommend Blackstone Steakhouse seasoning.
You would.
Of course I would.
You
Also,
did.
salt and pepper on our tomatoes. Look at those, blistered and beautiful. They're gonna just like burst with flavor. Now we got our steak. Let's see how we did. Slicing a little on the bias, kind of on an angle because we're
Ooh.
bougie like that. And
So bougie.
so bougie. We got a nice medium. I am all about that. Now plating, we've got that warmed up salsa verde.
Ooh.
And on
That's a
top
lot
of
of
that,
sauce. You put that much sauce?
I do put that much sauce. I want it swimming in it.
Oh.
See what I'm doing? See what I'm doing? We're gonna fan out our steak in here as well. Let's pair this with the tomatoes and then those beautiful crispy edge eggs. This is so simple, took no time at all, and it looks all freaking pretty. Like, what are you gonna do?
So pretty.
So pretty, let's eat it. Money, dude. Money. The steak
Money,
is
money,
cooked.
money, money.
Let's just have a look inside there. Yeah, we've got that nice medium. You could go longer if you need. I don't recommend you go longer. You could go less if you want it rare, but I think medium
Medium's good.
is good. So,
Choice.
so choice.
If you have the means, I highly recommend picking one up.
Dude, the sauce. You asked about all that sauce?
Yeah.
That's why. I want it swimming. I want it swimming in this bad boy. Yep. Oh, dude, our yolk. We've got that yummy yolk going on.
Oh, yeah.
And
look at
some
that
tomatoes.
Sauce. Nature sauce.
Is that what it is?
I think so.
Oh, wait, hold on.
You don't want that.
Oh, oh.
What?
Oh. I do want all that, though. I'm good with that. Get some of that yolk.
Yeah, that's a hearty, massive breakfast that I get down with.
The eggs are cooked amazingly. The tomatoes and eggs,
A little bit of acidity.
I don't know why there's just not that combination on every breakfast.
What, tomatoes?
With your eggs.
I don't know why you choose to eat your fork with your teeth.
I don't know why.
Watching an episode the other day.
Let me know how I did. Would you try it? You guys are gonna try
Let
it.
me know in the comments below. Does CJ bite his fork?
I already made fun of myself.
I'm making fun of yourself too.
Okay. Leave it in the comments. In my giant tool bag, and yes, you can make fun of me.
What?
But speaking of comments,
Huh?
it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
So glad you guys stuck around. This is the segment of the
glad
show
you endured it.
where we screenshot comments from you, the viewers, because if you write it,
We read it.
That's right. We love all the nice. We love all the mean. I love everything that you have to say.
A lot of love going on here.
There is a lot of love, and then there's not so much love at times. But starting from the top, in no particular order, this comes in from Stacy2405.
Hey, Stacy.
Stacy says, I was a little skeptical about this cook, but it actually looks pretty good. I might give it a shot. Also, I got my Nah Dude Essentials t-shirt and stickers. Love them. Thanks for the great videos. Stacy, I love that you got a Nah Dude shirt. I need photos.
Yeah.
Then I can highlight you.
At Chef Nathan Lippy on Instagram.
That's on me back.
Nah, dude. Okay, this next one comes in. KC Plate.
Casey Plate.
KC Plate says, filler episode?
Which one was it?
It was a good one, doesn't matter.
I mean, which one though?
It was the barbecue chicken
Oh, yeah,
enchiladas.
that was a filler episode.
Whatever, there are no filler
You
episodes
mean the
on this
ones-
show.
The enchiladas that weren't actually enchiladas? They were just kind of shaped.
Barbecue
remotely
chicken
close?
enchiladas.
They weren't exactly enchiladas.
Okay, this next one comes in from 22
Pilots.
Rig Up. Dude, the pollen here is insane.
I know, man.
What?
What?
I said I know, man.
What?
I said I know, man.
I'm just kidding. I can hear you. It was just really mean.
This next one comes in from 22 Rig Up. Says, best entertainment with food reminds me of the old school MTV.
Whoa.
Keep up the fun and good times. Jason,
Like the Kennedy?
out.
Kennedy days?
Dude.
Who else was on there back then? Carson Daly?
Oh, yeah. But like the 80s MTV?
Pauly Shore. Like, way back.
Way, way back.
We's a little juice.
Okay, this next one comes in from Scott Des
Besito.
Roche 349.
Despacito.
Okay.
Dama, dama, mamito. How's the rest go?
Esposito. Scott says, dude, trim the fat.
He's telling you to lose weight?
I eat because I'm unhappy. And I'm unhappy because I eat.
That's the question. I even said, are you referring to myself, the
It was
chicken, or the
weight.
show?
Beard weight. And you did.
What fat reference are you referring to? I think this was in reference to the boneless, skinless chicken thighs. But dude, fat is flavor. There's
Yeah.
not a bunch of fat on. I mean, it's a juicier, fattier piece of chicken, but there's no need to trim the fat. Unless you're talking about me, in which case I'll try harder next time.
God. Sorry.
Okay, this is from Wise Wayne 45. Oh, Wise Wayne. Blackstone Products brought me to this channel. CJ's first cooking show keeps me here.
Wow.
I like the other creators on Blackstone, but CJ's content is the best. 100% to each his own. Boom.
So everybody.
Wise
can-
words from a wise Wayne.
Not exactly wise. Your show's second best.
This guy's
King of the
wicker people. This next one is from Four Seasons Barbecue.
Hey, Four Seasons.
Four Seasons, another wise individual. I like Blackstone Betty, but
Uh-oh.
I'd like her more if she could pronounce words the right way.
Oh, man.
Love your show, CJ. Keep up the great work, my friend. She pronounces words.
Her pronunciation is fine.
Go birds.
Go
birds.
birds. Go birds.
Love you, Betty.
And that is how we wrap up an episode of CJ's first cooking show.
That was a
Before
good
we
one.
go,
Yeah?
Before we go,
You got some treats?
A while back,
Yeah?
we did a little Easter egg on the episode during the
Right,
Christmas
right,
era,
right.
and there was only one person who found the Easter egg, and it was a pretty difficult one. And so we sent her a special gift. It was actually a reference to the Christmas story, and it was, be sure to drink your Ovaltine. She was the only one who found it. Then sent this to me in the mail. After I sent her
That's so great. Where'd you find that?
a Red Ryder BB gun. She made this, like 100% homemade. This is all her, and then she wrote us a little note.
It's a
on the
major
back.
award.
It's a major award.
What? Did she say that? It's a major award.
It's a major award. Dear CJ, Nate, Ethan, and Andy Kaufman.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for the Red Ryder BB gun. I'll try not to shoot my eye out. You guys rock the cash bar. Ring it and bring it. Maia and Chris. This is definitely going on the board. That, like, I mean,
That's great.
That's truly beautiful. All right, you know that needs to go next to
Hang
Grohl.
with Grohl.
Oh shit!
Ride
Oh,
with
it's
Dave.
gonna
Oh, it's
party,
like
right
a-
with Grohl.
Yeah, it's his lamplight. That's how he writes music.
Oh, that's for his Broken Leg
Yeah.
tour that he did a hot minute ago.
That's exactly what it is.
Sick reference though, bro.
Oh, thanks, bud.
Dude, your references are out of control. Everyone knows that.
Be sure to let me know if you want to put something on the board. Slide up into my Instagram DMs and I'll give you an address. But that's it.
That's it.
We did it. Today we made some legitimate quality food. Dude, steak and eggs went through the roof. But if you didn't know, this is CJ's first cooking show where we cook.
And we quote.
That is correct, my friends. We'll see you on the next run.
You're right?
Yeah.
Okay. You sure?
No.
So come on, everyone, it's the